Shanti. So glad to hear that you're delivering the competency workshop on Thursday, 12th October. Tell me about it.
Sure, Vaishnavi. The 2-hour competency workshop will take participants on a deep dive to discover the profound meaning that fuels their life's purpose by identifying their strengths and competencies.
That's great. I look forward to attending this one.
Most welcome, Vaishnavi. I understand you are delivering the workshop on breaking the barriers for women. Tell me more about it.
Break the Barriers workshop discusses on the 12 common habits that often hinder women from realizing their ambitions. Based on Sally Helgeson and Marshall Goldsmith's book, How Women Rise, we will delve into identifying and overcoming those limiting habits, equipping participants with strategies to break those barriers and achieve greatness.
Excellent. I encourage all you phenomenal women out there who want to break the barriers to join the session on 13th.
And I highly recommend women who wish to uncover their strengths and find their meaning and purpose to join the session on 12th October.
Don't miss this amazing opportunity.
Register now for these free sessions.